Expect hazy, sunny clouds on Wednesday. Good Tuesday night, East Tennessee. David Aldrich, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see from the Ultimate Doppler Radar, all is quiet around the radar site. The Ultimate Doppler Radar, presented by A1 Fincham Heating and Cooling, focused on customer satisfaction. They won't quit until you're happy. Check them out at a1fincham.com. Plenty of rain showers to the far south into Florida, southern Alabama, and parts of Mississippi, and even Georgia, but not headed here. That's all going to slide to our south. Meanwhile, we have a lot of clouds. They're thicker tonight than they were maybe during the course of today, but they will also thin out as the day wears on tomorrow. You can see some of the thinner spots are back toward Memphis, back toward west of Paducah, but those clouds will be with us tonight. That is the expectation. Our high temperature today hit 70. I said this morning that we would be around 68, but wouldn't surprise me if we hit 69 or 70. It was 70 in Knoxville, 69 Oak Ridge, and so it goes. Normal high 61 this time of year. We start off on the normal 38 to start off the day. 64, the high temperature in Moorestown. We saw a high of 66 today in La Follette, Jacksboro, and 69 degrees in Tellico Plains, 64 Crossville, Cumberland County earlier today. Look around the region. They hit 69 Knoxville, 70 degrees in Memphis, and 69 in Chattanooga. Here's the tropical situation. We have a very rare storm potential that could be named Vince. It's rare because it's November and it's a strong El Nino year, so you don't expect much activity in the Atlantic, but there's a lot of rain forming under that red area south of Cuba, which means some flooding concerns may be the issue for Jamaica, for Haiti, and for parts of eastern Cuba. There's also a 10% chance something forms north of Miami, over maybe through the Bahamas and beyond, but the 60% chance is dropped from the 70% it was earlier this morning. So the Hurricane Center still waiting to see how this plays out. Vince would be next, and if maybe another storm follows, it would be named Whitney. We've had a lot of names this calendar year. Headlines: hazy, sunny clouds tomorrow, bright sunshine on Thursday, so Thursday looking a lot brighter than tomorrow, and then showers Friday and Friday night. You say, yay, I like rain. Rain's good. But the good news is most, if not all, the rain will be gone early Saturday morning. Has to leave the Smokies, mind you. So if you're up at 6 or 7 or 8, even 9 or 10 a.m., there could still be some showers in the Smokies Saturday morning. But by the time this game starts, it's a 3:30 Saturday. I understand Dolly Parton's going to be there in attendance. That's worth a price of admission right there. But the Georgia Bulldogs, 10-0, take on our 7-3 Vols. We'll go from 58 to 48 with lots of sunshine, light winds out of the north-northwest. Future rainfall. We got to get through the rain that comes in Friday, but especially Friday night, because there's 5 a.m. It doesn't look like it's populated much. Going to about midday, maybe a few drops here and there. But once we get into 5 o'clock and certainly after dark, well, it's 5 p.m. Friday, after dark it really starts to fill in. Oh, and wouldn't that be nice? Some of the new data suggests a half inch, maybe closer to an inch. That would be a nice bonus, given the fact that we're now approaching 5 inches. We're just under 5 inches below normal for the year. And it really got bad during the months of September and October and early November, clearly dry months. So we could utilize or use the beneficial rain that's coming our way. That's at least how it's projected right now. Storm Prediction Center not showing much in the way of color. All these light green areas in Florida and maybe parts of southern Mississippi or even into southern Alabama would suggest some thunderstorms are possible, but not severe storms. That stays to the south. We have a quiet weather day tomorrow, a quiet weather day on Thursday, although Thursday includes some of southern Georgia and parts of South Carolina, but it looks pretty quiet here in Knoxville, as it will find mostly sunny skies for Thursday. Then on Friday, we'll bring in some rain. Now watch the rain. It does try to make a run in our direction tonight. I don't think it'll quite make it this far. This might be over-exaggerated, but looks like Atlanta could certainly benefit from some much-needed rain, slides across central Alabama, and then works its way toward Augusta and maybe exits Charleston, South Carolina. But that's Thursday, midday, and then once we move into the afternoon, more sunshine. It's not until this cold front slides in like so that we bring in the rain, particularly the second half of Friday. Like this is 5 p.m. Friday, so the drive home might be sloppy for Friday, and it really picks up, I think, Friday evening once it tries to exit the region come early Saturday morning. Tonight, though, we're down to about 43 in Knoxville. More clouds, still cool. Light and variable winds tonight, and again, plenty of clouds. Tomorrow, look for a high of 66, 65 for Morristown, 63 for Wartburg and Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and Newport 67, Dandridge 67, about 65 for Maryville, Alcoa. Here's your forecast tomorrow. A pair of sixes, hazy sun and clouds, light and variable winds, and when they're moving, generally out of the northeast. And here is your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville and East Tennessee. You can see 71 on Thursday. Then you'll notice we got up to 58. That's it. But that's around the game time temperature at 3:30 when the game starts. Cool sunshine Sunday. But you'll notice we've got rain. I don't expect thunder. Got a little thunder there flashing there Friday night. That's a typo. But it will be raining, I suspect, 80% chance Friday night. As it'll be coming pitter-patter down on the rooftops at that point. But more rain opportunities Monday and Tuesday. By the way, keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate Weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic. It's free. Go to the App Store, Google Play. Just search the two words Captain Accurate. You get a brand new app update. A brand new app update if you haven't heard about it. It's awesome. You get a dark mode, which is maybe easier on your eyes and easier to see the snow, easier to discern the snow. You get an improved lap speed and a lapse bar. Plus, I love this other feature. The past 2 hours combined with the real-time radar, combined with the future model radar, all seamlessly combined in one product. All you do is hit the play button at the bottom. That little cloud will dance from left to right, and you can see the past, present, and future all in one fell swoop. I love that. And you get newly stylized legends above the map as well. So a great reason to definitely check out the Captain Accurate Weather app. Well, my name is David Aldridge. It's not easy being accurate. We'll see you here next time. Take care.